I tried budgeting in my head for 3 years and ended every month confused about where my money went. These 5 trackers finally gave me control, and one of them takes 5 minutes a month. Give every dollar a job before the month starts. Income minus all expenses equals exactly 0. Nothing gets spent without a plan. Game changer. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. That's the whole system. Simple enough to actually stick with long term. Takes 10 minutes to set up, works for years. Physical cash envelopes for each spending category. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending. Best for anyone who overspends on food or entertainment. Check every account balance every Sunday. Takes 5 minutes. Prevents end-of-month money surprises completely. Pair it with a printed tracker sheet to see trends. Save a little each month for big annual expenses. Car insurance, holidays, home repairs. No more surprise debt. The one tracker that eliminates financial emergencies. I made a free printable that combines all 5 of these systems on one page. Link is in the description. Download it before you leave. New money tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.